Hi everyone. This phase of activity is aimed at helping a novice or a beginner grow in data analysis and programming while using the internet. It has been observed that so many persons are not aware that there's a lot to learn when you're online. We will be providing links to learning materials based on your area of interest if necessary. But before that, we'll be giving some basic insights on data analysis process, and algorithm as regards programming or data analysis. So let's delve into it. What is data? Oxford says they are facts and statistics collected together for reference or analysis. Wiktionary says it's a known fact. They also go to say data especially refers to numbers but can mean words, sounds, and images. I think when they say refers to numbers, I think they're talking about 0 and 1s, and you know how machine languages can be. If you really don't know about it, you can just Google it. You see machine language. They're more like lower level languages, but we're not talking about that now. So let me know, take you to that part. For me, I would say data is unorganized raw information. The reason I say this is everybody, in my opinion, works with data. For instance, in a house where you live, if you have 3 doors, 4 bedroom, 3 cars, 2 rooms, those are informations, they are data, just that they are not penned down anywhere. They might actually be penned down, maybe documentation of the house or something, but you know what I mean by penned down anyway, and it's not something that is used regularly. And also we can say the market woman, yes, she works with data. The small scale market woman that doesn't even have a book where she records her sales, she just has it in her head that as she's selling, she's buying back, she just knows that her money is multiplying. She's working with data because she has to know what she wants to go and buy. The only difference is that she has to go and check the store. Oh, this is not here again, I'll buy this. Or somebody came to ask, please, I want this, she will buy this. So but you see, the big supermarkets, they have like an automated process already, where not all do but some, whereby they take inventory of everything they have, and there's a flag to what is finished, what has to be restocked. Then they can also do an analysis on the data to get information out of it. Even the guy or lady that has houses that they clean, they may not have it penned down anywhere, the list of houses they have it in their head. House A, house B, house C, house D. That's data. The difference between them and an organization in charge of such is that they have the information of these houses, their location, in their system arranged, which can easily just be checked. How many do we have in this area? Just like that. But that small scale person has the information and the location in his or her head. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that we all use data somehow. Yes, we do. The engineers, the medical doctors, like they can give count of how many people come to clinic a day, how many people they treat. It's from all this information that they bring out. Okay, we have much cases of this. Let's not even go far. Looking at COVID-19, they are working with data. That's how they give us reports. But well, that's not the discussion for now. I just wanted to bring us to the fact that we use data in our everyday lives. It's just that some are in the database on system, some are on the edge, some are on paper, and so on and so forth. On this note, we'll be focusing on data used for data analysis or programming. Common data types. You have the integer. This is a number which is not a fraction. You have 1, 8, 59, 135, 200. There are no decimal points. There are no fractions at all. It's a whole. They call it whole number. Then you have the floats. These are numbers that are fractions, numbers with decimal points. They are not whole numbers. That's why I specified the whole for the integer. As you can see, you have 5.21, 73.4, 189.193, and so on. Character. Wow. When I see character, the first thing that comes to my head is problem. Character is a unit of information. You have letters, you have numerical digits, you have punctuation marks, you have space. Letters are represented in kept in with quotation mark when you are referring to the system, like when you're using to write programs or something. While digits, you can just place them like that without putting them into quotes. You can see you have double quotes and single quotes. The digits, you see, they are just 1, 1, 2, 3. They are units each. Punctuation mark, you have full stop, the hyphen, comma, and so on. Then space. Please take note of these characters. Space is a character. Space is a character. In the future, when you be counting length of a word, if for instance you have obi and you're supposed to count the length of that word as 3, sorry, and you are saying 4, please know that there's something you are not seeing, which is space, that is making the length 4. It has counted the space. Sometimes it can be 5, meaning there's space before and there's space after, or probably the spaces in between. Things like this have kept people on their seats for days or hours when they are doing analysis. I'm not supposed to get into that, but I'm bringing it now because I want you to lay emphasis on characters so that you don't make mistake when it comes to characters. Then there's something again that used to be, but I would advise you on a better way to go about it. When creating a form, maybe for an inventory, let's say they are to take stocks of type of drinks, and it is assumed that when you come to the form to enter drinks, you just type in drinks, DRINKS. Because that field, you enter it manually, you can get a lot of problems. Ifeanyi, Obi, and Ifoma, they are all entering drinks. Ifeanyi will come and enter drink. Obi will come and enter drinks. Ifoma will come and enter drinks with full stop. You'll be surprised. They say they've entered a total of 100, but you're seeing only 5 because you searched for drinks alone, like matching the exact column. The problem there is that people have entered drinks with a character difference. We'll get to a part where we'll talk more on that. I'm only trying to make you know that all these characters can distort something. I've deviated enough. Let me come back to what we're talking about. So we have strange. This is collection or sequence of characters. Look at Obi is a boy. There's space before the O. When you now count it, it's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You'll be seeing 13. Why? Because there's space here. So these are the kind of things I was talking about. Then when you now count it, it's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You'll be seeing 13. Why? Because there's space here. So these are the kind of things I was talking about. Then 25973. Some programming language are flexible. When they see 25973 defined as a string and you say okay times 3, it will give you an answer. Some that are not flexible, they are strict with their rules. You're getting an error when you times it by 3. So these are little things you have to take note of, because in the course of learning or performing your analysis or something, they can come to play when you're writing a script that performs your analysis. Then boolean is true or false, 1 or 0. It's always represented like that in programming or in the scripts used to analyze data. It's either true or false or 1 or 0. Just two things, just those two things. So I've been giving you an insight. I would like people to read up programming data types. Many of the things I said, you'd come across them again, probably better explained or in a different perspective. One of the reasons I want you to read it up, I just want you to go to Google, type programming data type. You see like 3 or 4 things come up. Read on it and look at their own perspective and have an idea generally. Then, like we say here, we say form your own methods. Okay, we'll be stopping here for now. In the next video, we'll start from here.